Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of comfortable and stylish activewear with a focus on the UEU women's Capri pants. These pants have been making waves in the market for their blend of functionality and fashion. Stick around as we explore what makes them stand out. To kick things off, let's talk about why these pants are considered some of the best in the Zuda Clothing category. The UEU women's Capri pants are crafted from a lightweight and stretchy fabric, perfect for both lounging at home and intense workout sessions at the gym. They feature a high-waisted design with a wide waistband, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit throughout the day. Now, let's zoom in on the key features that make these pants a must-have. They come with deep, side pockets, ideal for keeping your essentials close while on the move. The fabric is not only soft and buttery but also squat-proof, which is a huge plus for those who value both comfort and coverage during workouts. Style-wise, these Capri pants offer a straight wide leg that's both flattering and versatile. Whether you're pairing them with a workout top or a casual tee, they effortlessly blend into any wardrobe. Available in various sizes from small to 3XL, they cater to a wide range of body types, ensuring everyone can find their perfect fit. As with any review, let's briefly compare these pants with similar options on the market. While there are many activewear brands out there, the UEU women's Capri pants stand out for their balance of quality, price, and design. Comparable brands might offer similar features, but UEU nails it with their attention to detail and customer feedback integration. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for comfortable and stylish Capri pants that seamlessly transition from yoga sessions to casual outings, look no further than the UEU women's Capri pants. With their excellent fit, durable fabric, and practical pockets, they're a solid investment for your activewear collection. That concludes our review of the UEU women's Capri pants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on the latest products. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay comfortable and stylish.